something very important that every developer must master. It's called debugging. There are 3 important debugging techniques. So the first technique is debugging with the print statement or console log statement in JavaScript. So if you are in any other programming language, you can also apply these principles. Is this the result that we expect to get? Let's walk through the example. We say result is equal to x times 3 plus 2. So are we getting 71? How do we know? We use console.log. We print result here. Then I run it again. So we got 71 on the screen. So which means our expectation and the calculation at this level was correct. Then the second technique that we're looking at is using the dev tool. So every browser has a built-in debugger, which is incredibly powerful for front-end development. And how do we debug using the debugger tool? When you click on your source code, you'll be able to see your source code. So the next thing we do is that we put a breakpoint here. So this point here is when, let's try to run the script again. So you could see that it is paused on breakpoint, and you can also see here paused in debugger. So finally, let's talk about the third one, which is debugging with Visual Studio Code. So this method is incredibly convenient for back-end or full-stack developers because you have all your code, all your source files with you. You can move between folders and see how they work. And so this is why this is the most important one. But at the end, don't just say, oh, I like this one better. So the technique you use depends on the project and the specific problem you want to find at that point. So if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like this video, and leave a comment.